Hello and welcome to Bradio Software Development. My name is Brad and today we're going to be talking about PocketNet. So PocketNet is a new social media that I've found. Actually I didn't find it. I heard it in a podcast that I listened to the other day. And PocketNet is essentially a decentralized blockchain-based social media network. Now, as I say in almost every single video, well, I probably have done by now, I'm moving away from social media, at least mainstream social media, and I'm trying to find more free opportunities for things. So like I've moved over to Signal, I've started using Brave IFPS or IPFS, I can never remember which way it's spelt, and I've also now found PocketNet. So if I share my screen, PocketNet is the first fully decentralized social network. That basically means that nobody can tell them what to do, nobody can tell them who to block, no one can tell them who to ban. Now, something that a lot of people don't seem to understand with tech is that, so Parler got taken down because Apple took it off their app stores, Google Play took it off their app stores, and they thought they were safe because they had a website, but then AWS took them down from their servers. So, and if nobody knows about this, AWS, Microsoft, and Google pretty much run the world in terms of servers. Now, a lot of people are like, well, I'm going to have my own server farm, and I'm going to run my own server on my own server at home. But then, what about the IPS you're using? Like, I don't know, in America you've got Version, and is it Version? Or something like that. In the UK, you've got Virgin, you've got like O2 if it's a mobile network, you've got BT, you've got Sky, all these different networks. What if they decide to shut you down? Also, as well, so say you go with a smaller company, and so the government decide to go into those and shut those down, you're not safe. And also, another thing to bear in mind is the domain name. So domain names are, you know, GoDaddy can host them. You can buy them on one-on-one hosting. You can buy them pretty much anywhere. But then what if somebody takes that down? Like you're not safe. The only way to be safe is to have a fully decentralized blockchain-based system. The great thing about PocketNet is they don't just have a website. They also have an application called PocketNet app, and you can download it to your desktop. You don't have a login. Well, you create an account, and then they give you a QR code, and then you can upload your QR code in order to log in. So don't lose the QR code. And you can use that on your own application, and they support Mac, Windows, and I think Linux as well. So you can install it on any three of those platforms. I'm not sure if you can install it on your phone yet, which would defeat the point because they don't want to be on the stores. But if we look over here, this is the front page. It's quite slow because it's blockchain, but it is fast at other times, depending on how busy the network is and also how many people are using it. So it's a bit of a wild, wild west sort of thing, which I kind of like at the minute. There's no algorithm. Everything just shows up as and when it's posted. There's a little chat here at the top right, which is really annoying because on the taskbar, when someone posts in this chat and it's global, it comes up saying new message, even though I haven't actually got a new message. It's just a PocketNet chat message, which is a bit annoying, but hopefully they'll fix that. You've got all the hashtags and how long they've been posted, and then you've got all the latest comments and all the different posts. So it is pretty cool. If I go to my profile, and then up here you can see all the comments that people have liked my post and commented on all my stuff. So it's pretty cool. Starting to build up a bit of a social media presence on Pocket App or PocketNet. So PocketNet, most blockchains work on a cryptocurrency. They kind of have to because it's with the name blockchain. And PocketNet, PocketNet actually runs on something called P-Coin with a K. And the only place to buy it, I think, at the minute is on Mercatox.com. So you can't actually put any real money into this, which is kind of worrying, but also good because it means that you're not relying on a fiat currency, which is good. But what you can do is you can go to something like Kraken or Coinbase, create an account on there. You can buy your Bitcoin, trade it over to your Bitcoin wallet in Mercatox, and then trade that into Pcoin. I'm not sure what the trading is at the minute, but if we come here, I actually bought some Pcoin down here, and now it's all the way up there. So I actually have 200 of it. So I actually tripled my money, I think, in a day. Now, obviously, it's brand new. well, it's not actually brand new. It's been going around for a while, but it's only recently gained some popularity because of this guy who announced it on his podcast. So that's why it's getting a little bit more popular. And I can expect this to go up and up and up because this guy on the podcast, Tim Pool, he's quite big on YouTube and in the social media space and in the journalism space. So if he's promoting it and they're a sponsor of his, then this is going to get huge. So I'm really looking for. I think this is the one to stay with because it's the only one that actually seems to work without really many bugs, which is quite nice. And it's also open source, so you can come on GitHub and you can look at all the code, and you can you can fix bugs. The last release was 13th October, which is quite a long time ago, but it seems to be running pretty well, and they're only going to release more coins onto the blockchain, which means you can buy it and hopefully you'll make a bit of money. They're actually planning to, so all the coins that they sell, obviously it makes the system faster because more people are owning coins. And what they're going to do is when people buy them and they make money from that, they're going to use that for advertising in order to self-fulfill itself. So the advertising will pay for the P coin, which will then go into the network and make it faster. So it's looking very promising, and I really like the sound of it. So if you haven't heard of it, so go to PocketNet now. I'll put the link in the description. Go and use it, play around with it, see what you think. Maybe buy some P coin if you fancy it. I think it's a really good alternative to things like Twitter. It looks like a Twitter clone, to be fair. But that's all you really need. You just need a post, comment, and upload photo and video and hashtags. That's all you really need in the social media network, right? So, that's PocketNet in a nutshell. So, thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video, which will hopefully be more about the IPFS network or the IFPS network. Not sure. So I will see you then. See you later.